Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it can be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
If you're a typist with time on your hands, and if you are eager to bring yourself some added cash, then you might want to find some internet typing jobs. What are internet typing jobs? Well, these are typing jobs that are posted on the internet. Duh. One way to find a list of the websites that carry such jobs is to go to a website called ask.com. If you do that, then you might soon find yourself visiting the website called freewebs.com. That particular website indicates that there is a real demand for typists who will take on the various internet typing jobs. So this video will provide some details on some of those jobs. So if you have ever been stopped by someone in the mall or somewhere in the shopping centers, or if you've been asked to take a telephone survey, then you are familiar with one important internet typing job. You're also familiar with the basic method for market research. Companies depend on market research to learn what the consumer wants. The volume of information obtained from such research needs to be typed into a report. Some internet writing jobs call for a typist who knows how to type up such reports. Once companies determine what interests their customers, then they want to go and communicate with their customers. Many companies do that by using newsletters sent to each customer's email address. The companies seldom ask a company secretary to type up such newsletters because it's so time consuming. They tend to enter their request for a newsletter typist among the many posted internet writing jobs. The list of internet typing jobs goes on and on. Some companies need a typist to help with the printing of ads. Some companies desire typists who will supply them with well-typed welcome emails. These are sent to those customers who sign up for the company's newsletters. Other companies seem more interested in finding someone to type up information lists. Information lists are not only sort of lists that a company administrators want to see. Such administrators also want to have access to mailing lists, i.e., the list of customers who are receiving either the company newsletter or the company catalog. Sometimes the administrators want a list of ordered items. Type lists of software orders are a frequent need among companies and software companies and information type of companies use that. And sometimes when you go to a store, let's say for the big box stores like Walmart or Home Depot or Target, anytime an item gets scanned in their system, it is automatically added to the list that they need to refill. However, that list is also used for market surveys to find out what items are moving the most and what the company needs to order more of. So, well, who puts all that together? It's not a computer, it's a human. The computer does some of the automation, but the human does the other. So, type lists are any kind of supply that the company administrators with valuable information. While the customers are studying the company website to obtain information about the company's products, the company bosses or administrators or the management are studying the many typed lists. If the available lists fail to supply the necessary information, then those administrators are apt to seek funds for more internet typing jobs, and that's where you come in. Typing, like writing, is vital to the creation of an online presence. Accurate typing ensures the delivery of easy to read and adequate information. Good writing skills add color and interest to that information. So, I hope you got some great value out of this, and I'm going to put a link up above somewhere on this video where there are some other types of typing jobs that you can look at and make some money online. So, go after it. Get after it, as they say. So, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon so you can get push notifications every single time I put up a new video. So, as we say, go make money now.